Richard with Mulstar Enterprises LLC, and if you've been following my little series, at this point, all the rough sanding is done, the edges, the corners. Now the next step is to vacuum the floor for the fine sanding process. And I just want to point out, this is a mega vac. If you're in the business, considering going into business, or just a homeowner with a huge project, this vacuum is like the best $300 something you'll ever spend. It's powerful. You can even use it on your car, boat, whatever. All forms of dry vacuuming. It makes quick work of getting it clean. In this case, we had a lot of staples around, and it's imperative that we get all of that stuff up, because in this next process, in this next fine sanding hack I'm going to be sharing in this next video, which is going to be incredibly valuable information to knock out a floor fast and do a great job at the same time. A process I've used in hundreds of houses, even $1 million houses. Anyway, this tool is invaluable, and I'm going to give you a brief demonstration. Let me zoom in on the floor. Let me show some dirt here. And okay, just anyway, this tool that comes with adapters that you can vacuum marble, all kinds of floors, and it also comes with a crevice tool. And we will demonstrate. Idea. And the other great thing about it is if you use a shop vac, you drag those wheels. When you drag those wheels on the floor, it actually closes the pores of the wood. So when you coat it, or especially if you're staining it, that will show up big time. With this, you go very fast, no dragging, marking up the floor. And, it is, in my view, a piece of essential equipment. Anyway, that's it. This is going to be a quick video, and I just wanted to share that tip. The next video, which will be going up soon, is going to be fine sanding, with my huge fine sanding hack. And anyway, if you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. And be safe, and peace out.